Would you like to do a storm now?
I think I'm going to do one now. Yeah.
Would you like to go out with me sometime today, 1 p.m. at the food court?
How old are you? 60?
It's a date.
It's a date.
It's a date then. Why not?
Get it?
Very
Get it?
pleasant. Look at social.
Sorry.
Intercourse. Oh, Wednesday, August 15.
She only really like a last one.
A great night
Karen, she took me to a swingers party.
for a date.
I admit that my profile is
Hook up with Australia's biggest names, tackling dating's biggest questions. You're not kidding.
Well, look, different photo. If your hair is a little shorter, I was